Hello and welcome to my data mining project. My project is about the Netflix Prize competition. In 2006, Netflix had a little competition to see if anyone can create an algorithm to better their RMSE score from 0.9 to 0.8, and they would get $1 million for that. For this project, I had two goals in mind. The first one was to predict the rating a user would give to a movie that he or she has not yet seen or rated. And the second goal was to minimize the difference between the predicted and the actual rating by using RMSE or MAPE. This is just a reiteration from the last slide. We want to be able to predict the rating an individual will give to a movie he or she has not yet rated, and that's our first goal. This is again a reiteration. We need to be able to minimize the difference between the predicted rating and the actual rating. Initially, I was planning on using RMSE and MAPE scores, but I couldn't really understand how to use MAPE scores properly, so I am just sticking with RMSE scores. Over the next few slides, I will be going over the data, the pre-processing I did, what algorithms I use, and my results, and the conclusion from this project. The dataset for this project was huge. It had over 100 million ratings by 480,000 users and about 17,000 movies. Since it was so huge, I had to use a sample, and I chose to use a sample of 20,000 unique users and their ratings. I didn't know where to start for this project, so I started researching into recommendation systems, which led me to the Surprise library for Python. It provides various ready-to-use prediction algorithms and similarity measures and cross-validation procedures, so I thought it would be perfect for me. All the algorithms used were from the Surprise library. For my prediction method, I used the RMSE scores to check the difference between predicted and actual rating. Since I already had the labels from the sample, it was easy to check against that. The idea was to lower this RMSE for the sample so that the RMSE for the entire data would be lowered as well. So to conclude, I couldn't beat the Netflix's own RMSE scores. And after doing research, I think multiple algorithms working together would be better than just using one. For future, I would try to get more computing power to handle the entire dataset rather than just using a sample.